It is so good for you. Just take a sip.
No, we don't want to drink it.
Step into one, give a little hop. Pull them up high to the tippy top. First, we take our star underwear. Remember to hold them wide and step your feet in.
You got this, Lily! Hooray! I did it! Did it!
Put one foot in, put one foot in, and now you hop, hop, hop. Try putting your arms through these holes. There, perfect!
Hooray! Hooray! We did it! Go, team!
Put your pink sock on your feet. Now the blue one's nice and neat. Gently pull it up and then roll it over your heel. You've almost got it. Just push it through.
Hooray! You did it! You did it!
Okay, team, let's practice those zippers.
Up and down, you got this! You got this!
Wow, look at you all. You look absolutely amazing and so confident. Okay, everyone, gather around the tape. Chin up and shoulders back. Let's see those confident strides and practice your turns. Great job, Lily! Yay! 10 out of 10!